Afternoon, Pete here, just exploring small farm buildings. I guess some of it was for use as farm buildings and some was probably to do with the clay pits. Just having a look round. This building over here, look. And there's that more modern building over there. Quite close to the Eden project, so don't think anybody lived here, but I think it was used to a lot of pig pens or something over there. Might be something bloody jump out on me. There's a good bit of timber up there. Look at that work timber. Bloody hell. Such a shame it's going to waste, really. Don't know what this was in here. Obviously do some work in here. Don't know if they're feed pens or there's obviously something there. Oh, it could have been old industrial places. But like, definitely something was going on there. But what makes me think it was farm was over here, these are like pig pens over here. Or cattle pens, calving pens. Well, they put some new timbers in there to support it, so probably the plan is to make a nice holiday. Or something. I mean, these are like pig pens, aren't they? Pretty certain there's pigs in there. Come on, Stanley. Yeah, just there's walls around the edge, so yeah, I suppose it was just farm buildings at some point. Nice building, isn't it? A lot of these sort of places just going to ruin now over the years. It's nice, isn't it? Nice bit of stonework. Oh, there's an owl, look, that's it. Barn owl. Do you know, I thought it'd be a barn owl around here. You don't see many barn owls. You do see, well here, tawny owls, but you don't see many barn owls. That was cool. Pleased with that. Sorry to disturb him, really. Anyway, just a little video, a little wander around. Something, I think that owl will swing round and come back into there. It's probably got a place where he sits in there, because all open fields up there. Be ideal for hunting. Yeah, cool. Pete out.